Another way of subtitling a screen is we can do it per letter. Make one A, use size. You can go higher than 0.5. For this one, let's go 0.6 maybe. I'll go to the start of the text plus clip, move it up, then move it to this side, position X. Mark it with a keyframe. For vertical screens, I usually go 5 frames. So I go to the right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I move position X. And that's our end keyframe. I can cut it somewhere here, Control V, then delete this extra stuff. And then if you play it, we get one single ah. But we want a lot of ahs. I click on this, we duplicate it, not here, I duplicate it on top. So if you play this, not really. From here, the start of this, I move 1 frame to the right, make this one start there. Then I do it again, 1 frame to the right, duplicate this, make it start there. So if you play it, we get something closer to the whole screen. I'm losing a lot of vertical space on my timeline. You can actually drag these around, make these things smaller. Or what I do when I'm doing this thing specifically, I hold down Shift, then scroll down. So scrolling up makes them big, scrolling down makes them tiny. So I can go 1 step to the right, duplicate. At the start, I do just 1 step. And then as I get closer to the end, I do more 2 steps. So this is 1, 2, move it there, 1, 2, duplicate. We're at the end of this clip, so we can actually move this one down here so we can save on layers. So let's do 2 steps again, 1, 2, I'll duplicate this here. Let's go higher, 1, 2, 3, so duplicate this here. The steps are actually increasing the space in between the ahs. Here, they're really stuck together, and then here on the 2 step, they're getting more space, 1, 2, 3, until we fill up the whole screen, 4. My subtitle went over the whole clip, so we can just cut this part, Control V, and delete this part. Play it, we get what I think is a really fun ah.